Welcome onto the Kanen Coffee workbench. Today we're taking a look at this beautiful Pasquini Livia 90. We did a complete overhaul of this one, so that means a new pressure stat, a new pump, and a new solenoid. So it's ready to go. We also descaled the boiler, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. So not a worry if it looks a little different than what you're used to at home. We're using our test beans here. Let's go ahead and check out the steam one, make sure everything is looking good. Getting some nice steam out of all 4 points. You got a beautiful Pasquini ready to go. So, thanks for using Kanen Coffee. Please take a look at our other videos, like, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss anything. I look forward to seeing you soon.